Hey, future tech wizards. Ever wonder how your phone seems to know you better than your best friend? How Amazon always suggests exactly what you need, or how your car's GPS magically avoids traffic jams before they even happen? Smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech explanations. Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the incredible partnership that's reshaping our entire world: data analytics powered by artificial intelligence. By the end of this video, you'll understand how these two technologies work together to create the smartest systems humanity has ever built. Imagine data analytics as a brilliant detective who can spot patterns and solve mysteries, and AI as a superpowered brain that can think, learn, and make decisions faster than any human ever could. Now imagine what happens when you put them together. That's exactly what's happening right now, and it's creating what experts call the fourth industrial revolution. We're not just analyzing what happened anymore. We're building machines that can predict the future, make decisions in real time, and even discover things we never knew we should be looking for. Think of it this way. Traditional data analytics is like having a really smart calculator, but data analytics powered by AI? That's like having a genius assistant who never sleeps, never gets tired, and gets smarter every single second. Let me blow your mind with a real-world example that shows just how powerful this combination really is. Have you ever noticed how Spotify's Discover Weekly playlist is almost eerily perfect? It's like the app crawled inside your brain and figured out your musical soul. Here's what's actually happening behind the scenes, and it's way cooler than mind reading. Spotify's AI isn't just looking at what you play, it's analyzing over 30 different data points about your listening behavior. It knows what time of day you listen to different genres, how quickly you skip songs, whether you replay tracks, if you save them to playlists, even how the volume changes throughout your listening session. But here's where it gets really wild. The AI also analyzes the actual audio content of songs, using something called natural language processing to read music blogs and reviews and audio analysis to understand the musical DNA of each track. Things like tempo, energy, danceability, and even the emotional tone of the lyrics. Then it combines all of this with data from millions of other users who have similar listening patterns to you. The AI creates a mathematical model of your music taste that's so sophisticated, it can predict songs you'll love from artists you've never even heard of. And the result? A playlist that feels like it was crafted by someone who knows your musical taste better than you do. That's the power of data analytics and AI working together. But wait, it gets even more incredible. Let's talk about Netflix and how they use this AI-powered analytics combination to make one of the boldest business decisions in entertainment history. Back in 2013, Netflix was still primarily known for mailing DVDs and streaming other people's content, but their data analytics team, powered by machine learning algorithms, had been quietly analyzing viewing patterns from over 33 million subscribers. They noticed something fascinating. A huge number of people were binge-watching political dramas, especially shows starring Kevin Spacey and directed by David Fincher. The data showed that viewers who liked political shows were also more likely to binge-watch entire seasons, and fans of Kevin Spacey would watch anything he appeared in. But here's the kicker. Traditional TV executives would have needed focus groups, test screenings, and months of market research to maybe discover what Netflix's AI figured out in hours of data crunching. So Netflix made an unprecedented decision. They committed $100 million to produce House of Cards without even filming a pilot episode. They were so confident in their data analytics and AI predictions that they bet the company's future on algorithms instead of Hollywood intuition. And guess what happened? House of Cards became a massive hit, launched Netflix's transformation into a content powerhouse, and proved that AI-powered data analytics could predict human behavior better than human experts. Now, to really understand how this magic works, we need to break down the 3 layers of this AI analytics revolution. Layer 1, descriptive analytics. The what happened layer. This is where traditional data analytics lives. It tells us what happened in the past using dashboards, reports, and basic statistics. Think of it like a really detailed diary of everything your business or app has done. Layer 2, predictive analytics, the what will happen layer. This is where AI starts to flex its muscles. Machine learning algorithms analyze historical patterns to predict future events. It's like having a crystal ball that actually works. This is how Netflix predicted you'd love that show, or how your bank spots fraudulent charges before you even notice them. Layer 3, prescriptive analytics, the what should we do layer. This is the most advanced level, where AI doesn't just predict what will happen, but actually recommends what actions to take. It's like having a super intelligent advisor that can process millions of scenarios and tell you the optimal decision for any situation. The magic happens when all three layers work together, creating systems that can learn from the past, predict the future, and automatically take the best actions. Here's where things get really mind-bending. Let's look at how Uber uses AI-powered analytics to make thousands of decisions every single second. Every time you open the Uber app, you're triggering an incredibly complex AI system that's analyzing dozens of variables in real time: your location, the time of day, current weather, local events, how many drivers are nearby, historical demand patterns, traffic conditions, even the probability that you'll actually book a ride based on your past behavior. But it doesn't stop there. The AI is simultaneously making decisions for every driver in your city, determining optimal routes, predicting where demand will spike next, calculating dynamic pricing, and even suggesting where drivers should position themselves to maximize their earnings. All of this happens in milliseconds. By the time you see 4 minutes away on your screen, the AI has already processed millions of data points, run thousands of calculations, and coordinated a complex dance of supply and demand across an entire city. This isn't just data analytics. This is AI-powered analytics, creating a living, breathing, constantly adapting system that gets smarter every time anyone takes a ride anywhere in the world. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is amazing. But what about my privacy? How much do these systems really know about me? And that's a brilliant question, because it brings us to one of the biggest challenges in AI-powered analytics: the privacy paradox. These systems work best when they have lots of data about you, but that also means they know almost everything about your digital life. The good news is that leading tech companies are developing something called privacy-preserving AI. This includes techniques like differential privacy, where AI systems can learn patterns from your data without actually storing your personal information, and federated learning, where AI models get trained on your device without your data ever leaving your phone. There's also a growing movement toward explainable AI systems that can tell you not just what decision they made, but why they made it. Imagine if Netflix could show you exactly which of your viewing patterns led to a specific recommendation. The future of AI-powered analytics isn't just about getting smarter. It's about getting smarter while respecting human privacy and maintaining transparency about how decisions are made. If this sounds like the kind of work you'd love to do, you're in luck. Because this field is creating entirely new career paths that didn't exist even 5 years ago. AI data scientist. These are the architects who design the machine learning systems that power everything we've talked about. They combine advanced mathematics, programming skills, and domain expertise to build AI systems that can learn and adapt. Machine learning engineer. These specialists focus on taking AI models from the research phase and turning them into production systems that can handle millions of users. They're like the construction engineers of the AI world. Data storyteller. These professionals translate complex AI insights into stories that humans can understand and act on. They bridge the gap between what the machines discover and what business leaders need to know. AI ethics specialist. As AI systems become more powerful, we need experts who can ensure they're being used responsibly, fairly, and safely. These professionals help companies navigate the complex ethical implications of AI-powered decision-making. Conversational AI designer. These are the people who design chatbots, voice assistants, and other AI systems that interact directly with humans. They combine psychology, linguistics, and technology to create AI that feels natural to talk to. The coolest part? These careers combine creativity, technology, and human impact in ways that have never been possible before. Now let me paint a picture of where this is all heading, because the future is arriving faster than most people realize. We're moving toward what experts call autonomous analytics, AI systems that can discover insights, generate hypotheses, design their own experiments, and even implement solutions without human intervention. Imagine AI systems that can spot business opportunities you never knew existed and automatically create strategies to capture them. In healthcare, AI-powered analytics are already diagnosing diseases from medical images more accurately than human doctors, predicting patient complications days before symptoms appear, and discovering new drug combinations by analyzing millions of medical research papers. In education, adaptive learning systems are creating personalized curricula for every student, identifying learning difficulties before they become problems, and even predicting which teaching methods will work best for each individual learner. And in climate science, AI systems are analyzing satellite imagery, weather patterns, and environmental data to predict natural disasters, optimize renewable energy systems, and even suggest policy interventions that could slow climate change. We're not just talking about better apps or smarter recommendations anymore. We're talking about AI-powered analytics helping solve humanity's biggest challenges. So how do you become part of this incredible transformation? Here are the key skills that will make you valuable in this AI analytics world. Technical foundation. Learn programming languages like Python or R, understand basic statistics and probability, and get comfortable with data visualization tools. But don't worry, you don't need to be a math genius to get started. Critical thinking. The ability to ask the right questions is often more valuable than knowing all the technical answers. AI can process data, but humans still need to decide what problems are worth solving. Domain expertise. Whether it's healthcare, finance, education, or entertainment, understanding how a specific industry works will make you invaluable in applying AI solutions to real-world problems. Communication skills. The future belongs to people who can translate between human needs and AI capabilities. If you can explain complex technical concepts in simple terms, you'll always be in demand. Ethical reasoning. As AI systems become more powerful, we need people who can think carefully about the implications and help ensure these technologies benefit everyone. Here's the truth. We're living through one of the most exciting technological revolutions in human history. The combination of data analytics and AI is creating possibilities that seemed like pure science fiction just a few years ago. But more importantly, this isn't happening to you. It's happening with you. Every time you interact with these systems, you're helping train them, improve them, and shape the future of how humans and AI work together. So whether you want to build these systems, use them to solve problems, or just understand how they're changing our world, now is the perfect time to start learning. The question isn't whether AI-powered analytics will change the future. It's already happening. The real question is, what role do you want to play in shaping that future? What would you want to predict, optimize, or discover using the power of AI and data analytics? Drop your wildest ideas in the comments below. If this video opened your eyes to the incredible world of AI-powered data analytics, smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech explanations. And don't forget to hit the notification bell because we're living in the fastest changing time in human history, and I want to make sure you don't miss any of the incredible developments coming our way. What AI-powered system would you most want to build or understand better? Let me know in the comments, and maybe it'll be the topic of our next deep dive. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and remember, the future is data-driven, AI-powered, and absolutely incredible.